Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another TikTok tutorial video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn your TikTok theme into a dark mode. So it's very much simple and easy. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So to do this, just tap on this three bar here, just navigate to your profile like this, and then you tap on the three bars. So let me drag this on top here, and then you move to your settings and privacy. Let me drag it back. Now let's scroll up here, and now let's move to our display. On here we just tap on the display like this, and you can see currently I'm on the light mode. I can change it to the dark mode by just tapping on the dark mode, and I'm good to go. So now let's do that. So let's tap on it, and good, you can see my TikTok theme has been changed to dark mode. So that's it on how you can turn your TikTok theme from a white mode to a dark mode. Let me turn it back to white. So I just move to that side again, and I tap on the white once again, and I wait for some time, and good, I'm back on my light or white mode. So that's it on how you can change your TikTok theme to light and dark mode. If you are new here, try to give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Peace.